Hi there, today's video we are going to be revisiting the Hotrod Truck build because I realised that having no rear window means we need some wing mirrors and we also have no bumpers on the front or the back. Today that is what we're going to be doing. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please hit that thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. Cheers. So first off, I think I'm going to start with the bumpers. Not quite sure what I'm going to make them out of. Might just find some stock piece of wire, something like that. Not sure if that's going to be thick enough, but we will see. Something a bit more on the thicker side. But obviously I don't want it round because the inside of the bumper won't be round, will it? It'll be flat to go against the metal there. Which I doubt if I've got anything like that, so I think it's going to be a matter of taking this round piece, grinding it down so it's flat on the inside, and then working out how I'm going to actually mount it with I drill through somewhere like you would on a proper bumper. Yeah, I think that is going to be quite a nice thickness if I just do that. But obviously when I kind of naturally bend that, it might be a little bit on the thick side for me to be able to bend. We also are going to take his advice and do the usual bend technique. I'm going to grind that flat edge down first. It's probably going to be best. That will bend a little bit easier then because it won't be quite so thick. I've just got to work out now where I want the actual bumper to finish. I think maybe in the middle of that headlight, so to speak. That's what I'm thinking. Just about there. So just need to cut that off of there. Okay. There he is. Oh, no. Right, so we just need to make another one for the other side now. Now I've found that. So let's do that. Now I just need to mount these on. So I'm going to do this without scratching it. Do it from underneath. me know what you think in the comments. I'm not too sure about it. Maybe I should sort of curve these bits down, maybe. I don't know. I'm not sure. Anyway, they're done. So let's leave it like that. I'm not going to do the back ones. I think I quite like it without the back on the back. So now let's just get some wing mirrors done. Now I'm thinking these would do. If we just put those and weld those on there, like so, it should be alright. Be just like these little wing mirrors. Obviously I'm going to cut it off there. I'll do that once it's on because it's just be a bit easier to handle. Let's see how it goes. Big ones, it's a Hotrod truck, right? So there we have it, pretty cool, eh?